Many adult learners feel stuck or anxious when it comes to math, but it doesn't have to stay that way. In this video, we share 7 practical strategies to help learners develop true math thinking skills. You'll discover how to connect math to real-life situations, explain the why, use visuals, break down word problems, and celebrate small wins, empowering students to tackle everyday math with confidence and clarity. Beyond the numbers, how to boost learners' math thinking skills in adult ed classroom. 1. Connect to real-world problems. Always link math concepts to practical situations learners face. Show how a skill like calculating percentages helps with shopping or budgeting. This makes math relevant and meaningful. 2. Emphasize why, not just how. Explain the reasons behind a math rule or formula, not just the steps to solve it. Understanding the why builds deeper comprehension. This helps learners remember and apply concepts better. 3. Use visual aids and manipulatives. Bring in physical objects or draw diagrams to represent math problems. Use blocks for fractions or play money for consumer math. This makes abstract concepts concrete and easier to grasp. 4. Encourage verbalization. Have learners explain their math thinking out loud to a partner or the class. Ask them to describe the steps they took and why. This clarifies their thought process and reveals misunderstandings. 5. Break down word problems. Teach a step-by-step approach to word problems. Guide learners to identify key information, decide on the operation, and estimate answers. This reduces overwhelm and builds problem-solving strategies. 6. Foster problem-solving strategies. Teach different ways to solve a problem, like drawing a picture, making a list, or working backward. Encourage learners to try various methods until they find one that works. This builds flexibility in their thinking. 7. Celebrate small victories. Acknowledge every effort and step of progress in math. Focus on improvement, not just the final answer. This builds confidence and motivates learners to keep trying. Developing strong math thinking skills empowers adult students to confidently tackle real-life challenges. These practical strategies move learners beyond rote procedures to true mathematical understanding and application. Make math thinking a foundation for their success. Please share this video in your network, and don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. The CBL team, your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.